Helen, what are you doing?
Sitting Leo.
Okay, show me.
That's good, Leo. Leo, like that?
What's he eating?
Sarah.
You're doing a good job. Alright, show me how you feed him. You like it, Leo?
Is that good, buddy?
That is good.
Oh, he's still hungry.
That's good, Leo. You like some squash and Sarah?
Does he like it?
You like the squash? Have some squash in it? Add some squash in it?
Well, I think it's just cereal.
Let's have some squash. Oh, yes, squash. Yes.